Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build for the Canary channel, which is the build 27902. This is a pretty small build for the Canary channel, which has some pretty big issues, if you ask me. So, if you're testing the Canary channel on a laptop or anything like that, I would personally skip this build. But in this video, of course, we're going to talk about what is new and what issues this build has. If you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, I'm gonna begin with a known issue in this build, which is basically an issue where some of the apostrophes across text and settings related dialogues are not displaying correctly and are showing random characters. So for example, if I were to right click on the desktop and then go to display settings, we're gonna notice that we have this, which is pretty funny if you ask me. Also in accounts, if you want to add a Microsoft account, most likely, or to go to email and accounts and then add an account, you can also see this here. So these locations were pretty much discovered by Phantom of Earth on Twitter or x.com. So this is the sole reason for which I wouldn't install this build. It is pretty bugged, and of course it is the Canary channel. It is about 3 or 4 months behind from where it's supposed to be. So yeah, this is the Canary channel in Windows 11, a pretty big disappointment. And in my opinion, Microsoft should just get rid of the Canary channel because it serves no actual purpose for the normal users. They should move it to some internal testing or something like that, because users are not really happy with how the Canary channel is moving through builds and so on. Now, talking about what is changed in this build, we have some fixes, one of them being related to the File Explorer. Microsoft fixed an issue in the previous build where File Explorer might fail to persist any view changes. This also impacted desktop icons, which could unexpectedly move or change size back to default, and also related to the camera app. Microsoft fixed an issue which could cause the camera app to get stuck on some PCs in the last couple builds after switching between front and back camera. In addition to that, there's also another known issue starting with the previous build, causing a small number of insiders to experience repeated bug checks with kernel security check failure after upgrading. This may occur when connecting to a VPN. So in addition to the system being pretty bugged related to visual, we also have a lot of bug checks, a lot of PSODs that basically make this build very unstable. So I would advise you to skip this one, maybe install the next one when hopefully some of these issues will be fixed. Of course, for additional information, you can check out the article below or the official Microsoft blog post. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.